Hello everybody, Brad the Guitologist here. Enjoy the video. Well, this storm has produced a tornado. Oh, there goes the tree. Holy crap. The tree's down. I hope those umbrellas don't go. Truth be told, I kind of expected that tree to go. Stupid thing was cracked.
Our fucking tree came down?
Yep. Look at it.
Holy shit. Oh, that's gonna be expensive. Shit, how are you even gonna get done? It's like, it's gonna take their fence down.
Okay, so the guys are here to take care of this fallen tree. This is a very expensive proposition. Ridiculous price for this sort of thing. $1,200 to take down this part of a tree that's leaning up against another tree that just happens to also be my tree. I was gonna leave it, but the wife just she's like, wait, it might fall on somebody, which is true, but what are the odds? Anyway, we're gonna take this thing down. I'm gonna try to get some decent film of it. I can't wait to see what their plan is here, because this thing is really tied up in that tree, and it's like, I don't know. This is gonna be a fun one. So they're not going to be able to do it after all today. So apparently we'll have to come back to this. They said they couldn't do it because this crew wasn't prepared. Okay. Okay, so this was a funny and interesting development. So the Mexican dude who came earlier with the other company left his rope. When they left, the guy said they couldn't do it today. And this guy left his rope, and when he came back to get his rope, he knocked on the door and said, hey, I can do this for you for much cheaper. So basically, I'm getting this job done for half price. For I guess this one guy and maybe another friend is going to be along shortly. I don't know, but I think he's going to do it. I don't know. It looks like he's going to try to do it himself. I've signed the contract with this dude for half price, so we'll see how it comes along. I'll be interested. I'm just going to leave the camera rolling for a while and see how he gets along. Okay, so here he goes. He's starting to cut. And it's also starting to rain outside. Just adding to the danger. Yeah.
Can I leave my stuff in there?
Sure, yeah,
I'll take
absolutely.
lunch, something to eat.
Absolutely, go
Maybe
ahead.
the rain.
Yeah, let the rain die down. I was hoping you weren't going to climb back up there in the rain.
Yeah, oh yeah.
But yeah, I see what you've done. You're holding it up. Okay, up the tree, down the tree, around it, and then over to there, to that other tree. Okay. Yeah.
Smart, huh?
Yes, very.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
And then you've got, let's see. Oh, okay. I see you got the top
What happened?
going up and over,
Yeah.
and then down. You got 2 ropes going to that
Oh
tree.
yeah, 2 ropes right there. See?
Uh-huh.
Look at that. Here. See?
Mm-hmm.
Easy. Now. Look at this one. Watch out. You see it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Excellent.
You gotta be careful for this big tree. In the middle, looks like this. Because maybe right here,
I see the cracks.
the cracks.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
right
see the
here?
cracks? Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, those cracks that's dangerous.
yeah. Right?
Okay. So I've added to my winter firewood reserves. But you can see what was going on with this thing. Look. It's rotting from the inside. But here were the cracks that started.